Hi friends, Auntie Anne's gonna read you a story from the Rusty Rivets, and today's story is called The Great Monkey Show by Delphine Finnegan. Rusty and Ruby visit the animal park. They want to see the monkey show. Ranger Anna has a problem. The monkeys are bored. They will not perform. Ruby has an idea. She and Rusty will create a new act. Ranger Anna leaves to feed the seals. Rusty and Ruby stay with the monkeys. Rusty and Ruby try to think of a new act for the monkeys. But they have a problem. The monkeys escape. Rusty and Ruby follow them into town. They find the monkeys juggling apples. The monkeys run away. They take Rusty's go-kart and Ruby's buggy. They take Officer Carl's hovercycle too. Rusty and Ruby chase the monkeys. They find them in a park. The monkeys spin and flip. They climb up high. At the ice cream shop, the monkeys bang drums and dance to the beat. Rusty and Ruby have a great idea for the monkeys' new act. Rusty, Ruby, and the bits get to work. The monkeys help. They make the drama-matic monkey-tastic showstopper 5000. Soon, it's time for the show. The monkeys juggle. They bang on the drums. They love the new invention. The crowd claps and cheers for the monkeys. Everyone loves their new act. The Great Monkey Show is a hit, thanks to Rusty, Ruby, and the Bits. The end.